Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check old photos on Facebook. And all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application. And from here, we are going to tap on the search icon and we are going to search for ourselves. And then I'm going to tap on the search and then I'm going to check on the posts. And from there, I can actually see the posts that I have. Then, as you can see, once you've already searched for yourself, you can see the posts that you had already posted. You can choose to filter out the post and choose either between posts you've seen or date posted. And let's say you decide to put it on 2024. From there, you'll be able to see the posts that you have posted. Another way that you can actually do it is by heading to the photos, which we're going to just scroll horizontally here at the top till we see photos, and we can see photos that we have posted, and we can choose to either filter out the dates posted, and we can say from 2023. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.